We have a problem. I notice that some people are agitated, and then they start pouring out with the questions about implementing these strategies. Those are all workable questions, and the answer is there's no right answer. This is about the art of teaching. However, everybody does need some guidance. So here's one thought. You could do those lessons to start building your toolbox with the simplest things first, in that order. Here's another idea. Some teachers got together on one campus and they color-coded which of those icons the different grade levels would try to cover and focus on. That's another basic plan, and of course basic plans change, but that was how they started. Another thing you can do is when your students arrive in your classroom, create your chart with the things they already know on it and build from there. You know what else is another thought? Instead of thinking about what you should do first, what if you focus on them? If someone asked me for one piece of advice, my one piece of advice would be this: find ways to quote your students. I know that doesn't seem normal. Why is that important? If we draw from students the skills they already have, and we catch them saying things that we want to remember or write down or hear again, they start noticing themselves as writers. One of the best ways to guarantee student success is by watching students and responding to them, informing your next teaching move. Here's another thought to consider. Teach what you love. That includes everything: stories, poems, books, manners, what you love. So if your kids come in and you're sick and tired of onomatopoeias and they already know onomatopoeias, don't teach them onomatopoeias. Put that on your chart and move on. Teach them the things that you do love to do. Where should you put bada bing? Try it anywhere and see if you like it. And there's your answer. Of course, you need a plan to start with, but don't forget where your loyalties lie. Thomas Newkirk says, teaching is profoundly situational. If you watch your students and find the lovable, funny, horribly conflicted, bruised, tender, hopeful parts of them, then your priorities will lead you. And if you feel like you never really get it right, then you're probably doing just fine.